Hi, welcome to the Central California coast. I'm Robin Egbert, and I'm here to tell you about the yellow acacia tree. What's unique about this tree is from Carmel to the Russian River in Santa Rosa, north of San Francisco. When this particular tree goes through and starts to blossom and pop open, that's when the heavy winds and rain are going to come. So now it's time to move your stuff up to the higher ground. What makes this tree unusual is that it came to California with the gold rush people back in 1848 from Australia. Yes, that's right, this is not native to California. But the wonderful thing about it was the Native Americans immediately saw that this tree spoke to them and let them know that the heavy winds and rains were going to be coming along. And also, from the Bible, God's blessing is a sign of rain, and the Ark of the Covenant from the Bible on Indiana Jones movie and stuff, the Ark of the Covenant was made from the acacia tree, right? Rain is a sign of God's blessing. So here you go. It's time to get blessed all over again for this year. Robin Egbert reporting from the Central California coast.